This little man. He protests so much, but then when I get a hold of him, he looks like he's loving it so much. We went out shopping this evening, and he snuck outside at the last moment. Rain coming down and everything. We gave him the opportunity to go back inside after he seen how bad it was raining, but no, he just ran right out in it. Little water kitty. We come home a few hours later. Where was he? Was he waiting on the porch?
Mm-hmm.
Sopping wet. Comes right inside. Are you done? Are you done? Trying to get away so bad. Do you want to feel you're dry? And check your paws. So he goes and hides in. He has there has been a hole ripped in the side of the couch that he uses to get into the couch and hide. I tried to chase him in there. And I find a little stash. He's got a stash of things that he's taken from me and hidden in the couch. Stuff off of my little knick-knack shelf. And stuff of Devin's. So I'm reaching in there getting stuff and he gets me. And I stopped. And I want to put groceries away, and then he comes out. And I dried them off. Are you looking for these? You're looking for this Temptations Cheesy Middles. It's another Temptations day. Oh, it's just a rainy day. You don't get some treats. There you are. You like them Cheesy Middles? You need me to hold it up to your face? Or nope. Well, we got our grocery shopping done today. Had some nice sushi and Chinese food. Otherwise, it was a decent Wednesday. Wasn't it, Potato? Maybe not. He don't like the rain so much. Bonus unboxing! Ooh, let's see what I got. This is just crap from China. Yes, I'm a cheap, un-American person. I buy stuff from China sometimes. But in all honesty, this is stuff that I usually can't find anywhere in normal American stores. Or if I do, it's ridiculously priced. Okay, so here's these things I was telling you about earlier, Devin. It's the cute little things, a suction cup to the mirror that will hold a toothbrush or a razor or something. These cute. You get the green one for Leafy on. I get the blue one because I like blue. Okay. What's in here? Oh, it's little suction cuppy things for the freaking, what the hell's that thing in the bathroom that you shower? Yeah. Oh, look, they gave me such cute ones. I got a little apple and a foot and a smiley face. You can just stick stuff up on there to hold it in place, supposedly. Let's see what this little tiny one is. Put it up and put it. Cut into it. Oh, it's a pink one. I didn't think I was pink. Anyway, that's fine. It's It's a little thing. Thanks, potato. Oh, you stick it in the sink so your sponge dries out and it doesn't get lost among the shuffle of the dishes. And what's this? Oh, I know what this is. It is massager pad. This is fun. It is a acupressure foot pad. So you set it on the floor. Hold on, let me take it out. I think there was some misspellings on it that were funny too, but yeah, you set this on the floor and you set your feet on it, and you wiggle your feet around and it massages your feet for you. Brain, forehead, eye, thyroid, lung, shoulder, stomach, liver, heart, pancreas, duodenum, kidney, spleen, ureter, urinary bladder, small intestine, ovary. I guess don't put your feet there if you don't have an ovary. Or if you put your feet there, you just might get an ovary. You never know. Science. Anyway, that's all for today. Hope we all vlog every day in April successfully. And have a good night. Oh boy, Chinese instructions. Oh wait, there's English. Yay.